If you drive your Mustang year-round through cold temperatures and bad weather but don't want to totally compromise when it comes to performance, then switching to the Pirelli all-season Nero tire would certainly be a smart move. Now the Pirelli here will be a relatively affordable option that will range in price based on your size, of course, which will be from 17 to 20 inches in diameter and section widths ranging from 225 on the small side to 275 on the wider side. But with all that said, what do you say we take a deeper look into the all-season variant of the Nero? Now Pirelli actually refers to this thing as their ultra high performance all-season tire, which will offer great performance year-round, warm or cold temperatures, in the rain or even dry pavement, and a lot of our customer reviews tend to back that up. However, even though Pirelli has given this thing the mud and snow stamping, you have to take that with a grain of salt because this is not going to be a dedicated snow tire. Now sure, it's going to be better than most summer tires out there per se with a little bit of snow on the ground, but you should not rely on a tire like this to get you through a few inches or more in your rear-wheel drive Mustang. Instead, if you're looking for a winter or snow tire, you would need to search out something that features that three-peak mountain snowflake symbol, which designates a tire worthy of severe snow use. So now that we've essentially defined what an ultra high performance all-season tire can and can't do, let's go over the numbers here. And the Nero is going to come in at a 400 for tread wear, along with the highest possible grades for both traction and temperature, with a AA and single A respectively. Now this tire is asymmetrical, meaning it will allow for traditional rotation, which will ultimately help Pirelli achieve around or close to the advertised 50,000 mile lifespan with this particular option. Now that asymmetrical tread pattern has been silica enhanced, which is typically utilized to help provide traction and performance on the hot and dry days of the summer, but also in the cooler, rainy days of the fall and winter. It basically expands the tire's capabilities and allows it to perform in cooler temperatures. But one look at this tread design, guys, and you'll immediately give away the fact that this is an all-season tire. Tons of siping in the shoulder area, in addition to the grooves running the circumference of the tire, allowing it to remove as much water as possible from that footprint, maintain that wet traction, and prevent that hydroplaning. Now keep in mind, guys, we do offer the all-season variant here of the P0 in combination with a lot of your favorite wheel designs on the site using our pre-assembled wheel and tire kits. Now these kits do get mounted and balanced in our state-of-the-art facilities here at AM, of course. We install those TPMS sensors if selected, and then we ship them to your door absolutely free of charge. It's a great service, and ultimately it takes a lot of legwork out of the process of buying a new wheel and tire for you guys at home. So wrapping this one up, guys, if your Mustang is not a garage queen and sees all types of weather, be sure to check out a set of the Pirelli P0 all-season tires right here at AmericanMuscle.com.